Welcome, everyone. Today, we're moving past the hype and the buzzwords. We are here for a bootcamp on AI in business, a practical approach. My goal today isn't just to talk about technology, but to show you how you can actually use AI to save time, lower your costs, and grow your business right now. Introduction: Why AI now? You might think AI is only for tech giants like Google or Amazon, but that's changed. Today, AI is an equalizer. It allows a small business to have the same capabilities as a much larger team. Think of it like the shift from paper ledgers to Excel. If you don't start using it now, you'll be working much harder than your competitors who do. What is AI? So, what is it exactly? Traditional software follows strict rules. If this happens, do that. AI is different. It's more like a smart assistant that learns from data. Instead of being told every single step, it looks at patterns to give you answers. In simple terms, it's a tool that can read, analyze, and create at lightning speed. How AI thinks: practical view. To use AI effectively, you just need to understand 3 steps: input, processing, and output. You give it information, like a list of sales or a messy email. The AI processes it based on your instructions. Then, it gives you a result, like a summary or a prediction. It's that simple: data in, smart results out.
This bootcamp was proudly brought to you by the Talent Development Hub, your one-stop e-course warehouse dedicated to accelerating corporate growth. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on exclusive executive training and future bootcamps.
Practical example 1: Customer support. Let's look at a real-world example: customer support. Imagine a customer asks about a delivery at midnight. Instead of them waiting until 9 a.m. for your staff to wake up, an AI chatbot can check your database and answer them instantly. It keeps your customers happy and keeps your team focused on more complex problems. Practical example 2: Marketing and sales. In marketing, AI helps you stop guessing. Instead of sending the same generic email to everyone, AI can analyze what a customer bought in the past and write a personalized offer just for them. It's like having a marketing expert who knows every single one of your customers by name. Practical example 3: Finance and admin. Finance is where AI can save you from costly mistakes. AI tools can scan hundreds of invoices in seconds. They can spot if you've been billed twice for the same thing or flag a weird payment that might be fraud. It's about having a second pair of eyes that never gets tired or bored. Practical example 4: Operations. Operations is all about timing. If you run a restaurant or a shop, AI can look at the weather and local events to tell you exactly how much stock to order. This means you don't run out of what customers want, and you don't waste money on things that won't sell. The low-hanging fruit: quick wins. You don't need a huge project to start. You can get quick wins today. Use AI to record your meetings and give you a summary of the action items. Use it to draft difficult emails or to find a specific sentence in a 50-page contract. These small wins save hours of work every single week. How to start small: 3-step plan. How do you actually begin? First, find the boring tasks, the ones your team hates doing. Second, pick just one tool to help with that task. Don't try to fix everything at once. Third, test it for a month. See if it helps, learn from it, and then move on to the next task. Common challenges. Of course, it's not magic. You have to be careful. Never put private company secrets into public AI tools. And remember, AI can sometimes make mistakes, so always have a human check the final work. Also, talk to your team, remind them that AI is a tool to help them, not a machine to replace them. Ethical AI: using it right. Using AI right means being honest. If a customer is talking to a bot, let them know. If you're using AI for hiring, make sure it's being fair. AI does the heavy lifting, but humans should always make the final, important decisions. That's how you build trust. Summary. To wrap up, AI is a powerful tool, not a replacement for your business intuition. Start small with simple tasks, make sure your data is clean, and focus on efficiency. The goal is to free up your time so you can focus on the big ideas that grow your business. As we wrap up today, I want to leave you with one final thought: AI is not a magic wand, it is a power tool. Like any tool, whether it's a hammer or a computer, it only works if you actually pick it up and use it. You don't need to be a data scientist or a coder to succeed. You just need to be a problem solver. Don't feel like you have to automate your entire company by Monday morning. Just find that one task that drains your energy, the messy emails, the long meetings, or the data entry, and let AI take the first crack at it. The goal of this bootcamp wasn't just to give you information, it was to give you time. Time to stop doing the busy work and start doing the big work that truly grows your business. Thank you for your time, your energy, and your curiosity today. I can't wait to see how you put these tools into practice. Let's get started.